welcome to Cooking with Rita and Ayden. Today we are going to be making some salmon with some creamy, spicy vegetable sauce to go with it over rice. I'm going to go ahead and get started with seasoning up the salmon and then pass it on to Ayden. While he gets searing, I'll chop some vegetable up and go from there. Alright, we're going to start by putting some salt on our salmon, and we have some Bay seasoning. I like to put a nice big portion on there. We're going to add some paprika and some garlic. Got some black pepper. And then we're just gonna pat that in, mix everything up. We want to get it nicely coated together. Nice little roll there, so everything could get a good coat. Oops. All right, everything is nicely coated, and I'm gonna hand this off to Ayden so he could get this seared, and I'll get on the vegetable. The salmon are looking good, Ayden. Is yours good? Great. Yeah. Delicious. A little bit of cilantro. Alright, now that we have our salmon seared and our vegetable chopped up, we have some butter and flour in the pan with some vegetable sauce so we could make a roux. While that's simmering down, we're going to go to a separate pan with some garlic. Cook that down for a few seconds before adding in our onions and bell peppers. Should say this is the first time me and Ayden are trying this recipe for our family as well. We make salmon all the time and love it, but never in this way. So the key ingredients to the creaminess with this recipe is the coconut milk that I just poured in. Then we're going to put all of our salmon back in. Let that cook down for a few before we add our vegetable. Put the vegetable over. Make sure we get a little bit in between all of the salmon so all those flavors are marinating together. And finish it off with some lemon, a fresh squeeze of lemon, and some cilantro, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know what you want to see, and we will make. That was good.